sort of took the Malbec experience to a level that I haven't yet seen. So this was a wine that sort of blew me away, this Malbec. So I thought it was good to do a full video on it. It's warranted. So I bought this bottle. I probably should say I scored this bottle during a Last Bottle Wines marathon for $15. So you can see the label here, pretty good. There's a coupon code to get 10% off your purchase, your first purchase, in the show notes if you ever want to sign up. I get a little wine credit, which I'd be eternally grateful for. Even if you just sign up and wait for their marathons, you'll be glad you did. So hindsight being what it is, I should have bought at least 6 bottles. And even in the description of the wine, they said you're going to wish you bought more. And they're right. I could have easily gone with a case, because this drinks like a $50 bottle of wine. It also hails from the same area in Argentina, in Mendoza, Argentina. I believe it's the Uco Valley. Same spot where Catena, Zapata, and Zuccardi make some of their most famous wines. So we're talking about, I believe the name of the winery is Kauzo. Terroir Expressions, Malbec, single vineyard, Gualtallary from Uco Valley in Argentina. So this Malbec was dark and luscious. 2 words. If you said, okay, you only get 2 words, dark and luscious. Very pronounced black cherry, almost like a cooked strawberry on the palate. The nose had a bit of oregano in it, in addition to the fruit. So you know, when I tasted this over the course of a couple of days. It was loaded with that fruit. It had quite a bit of vanilla, right? There's definitely doing some oak work with that, but everything was just perfectly balanced. It was like a perfect harmony. So this gets officially a 94 points from drinking it in. And you can bet that if I see it again, I'm grabbing more than 1 bottle, especially if it's at like a real silly price. This is a big wine. This is 15.5% alcohol by volume, which I think is a bit high for Malbec. I'd have to go do a little research on it, because I don't necessarily pay attention to the ABV on Malbecs, because I find that they drink a bit lighter. But this is definitely a bigger one. This is a big muscular Malbec, but it's so effortless on your palate. So you know, I figured it was worth noting. Again, take a picture, walk around with it when you go shopping for wine, and I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for joining.